very simple. And like I said, you've got all the recipes there for you, so you can make this at home. So what I'm going to do is take the dough that I rolled out.
Yes, chef.
Take a scoopful of the crunch bun and spread it as a base for the fruit. Take the rhubarb. And when you cut rhubarb, cut it crosswise. Cut the piece of the root off. This is the root, and this is the leaf up here. And then I'm just going to kind of eyeball. I like, the reason I'm doing the tart in a rectangle as opposed to a square or a round is because I like to sort of keep the shape of the rhubarb. So the rhubarb is a long, thin shape, so I like the tart to be that shape as well. So I'm just going to eyeball this. And this rhubarb is pretty big. When the rhubarb first starts to come, about 3 weeks ago when we first started getting rhubarb, it was very thin. It was like about this big. And now it's coming in these big stalks like this.
It's like celery.
Yes, it does. It does. So I'm just going to lay this down. Tart. That. And then I'm going to fold the short edges over. The long edges over. Sheet pan here.
Can I get something for you?
I thought I brought the sheet pans out.
Just use raw rhubarb.
I didn't either.
I got in there.
I thought that was decoration.
Peter did this demo on NBC4 last Saturday, and the host that he did it with didn't believe that he could saying how sweet it was. She was like thinking it had that like little bittery taste, like celery. Remember Peter? And then she tried it and took one bite. Oh, that's so tarty and tangy. And he's like, see?
I tried to tell you.
Yeah.
And then we're going to glaze it before it goes in the oven with some egg wash. Egg wash, again, is something that's used a lot in the pastry kitchen. This is a mixture of 1 egg to 1 egg yolk. So it makes a really nice, deep, dark brown color. I really like things to be nice and dark brown when they come out of the oven. I think they're much more appetizing. So just brush all the exposed dough with your egg wash. And then sprinkle it with some of the almond crumble. Just like that. And there's your tart.
What?